Well, as requested, and a little late, might I add, is this startup video. Nothing special, just this is a new video with the exhaust on. D16Y7 non-vtec, aka slow poop. Pacesetter header, Magnaflow high flow cat, and a 2¼ inch Megan drift spec. I use that term lately. Catback. Here we go. Needs a throwout bearing, I think. That's what that noise is. Some annoyingly bright HIDs without a retrofit yet. And I also have yet to do some tail light work, obviously. I don't know if you can see it. It is